Hello, lovelies. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending from where and when you come across this video. So today, I'll be showing you how you can make and lose your simple, beautiful butterfly locks, guys. This is so super simple to do. All you need for this beautiful hairstyle is just your crochet pin, your hair extension, and of course your thumb finger. Very important. Now it's the thumb finger that will do the tricks or the magic for you. So start by passing your hair extension with your crochet pin in between your hair. Make sure to wrap the root of the hair like 4 to 5 times just to secure the root of the hair so that it will not get weakened and loosen quickly. So after wrapping the root of the hair, remember I said it's the thumb finger that will do these tricks for you. Use your thumb finger to bring out little part of the hair extension as you can see on the video. After bringing some little parts of the hair extension with your thumbnail, do well to wrap the up and the down part of the hair like twice. Use your thumb finger again, bring out little part of the hair extension, wrap the upper part and the lower part to secure the butterfly you just made.